Hello and welcome everybody. I hope you had a fun Diwali celebration. Like you know, I share some hands-on activities to do with your little humans at home. Today, I am here with another creative activity. This activity is DIY Touch and Feel book. Some days back, while I was cleaning Muskan's bookshelf, I came across this Touch and Feel book and thought, why not make one with Muskan? A touch and feel book is a creative way to engage kids' sense of touch. While kids make the book, they get an opportunity to explore materials that are furry, scratchy or spongy. I thought of this activity as it is going to be an interactive book as well as a keepsake which Muskan is going to cherish, and I'm sure your kids are going to have fun too. Let's have a look at the things we need for this activity. We need a glue, color pens, stapler, color papers, and different textured items that are available at home. Like I took a sellotape, feather, cotton, and candy stick. You can also use corrugated paper, foam sheets, or slime. Let's have a look at the activity. Take some colored sheets and fold them into half. Now cut them and get ready. Put the sheets together and staple them. Start from the first page. Label your book. DIY Touch and Feel book. For older kids, let them write it. And for younger ones, help them. Write the following in each page and keep it ready for the younger kids. We have some items that are smooth, hard, fluffy, soft and sticky. So you need to write it feels hard, or it feels sticky, or it feels smooth, and so on. Children get excited to solve puzzles, and this one is a fun puzzle. Kids need to read the sentence, they need to identify the texture, feel the texture, and place that object in the correct page. A book with different texture on each page promotes observation, discovery, and discussion. Children also learn new vocabulary while they develop their fine motor skills. Sensory play is an important part of early child development and provides opportunities to children to actively use their senses as they explore their sensory world. The desire to engage with sensory play comes naturally for children and should be encouraged and supported at home. I hope you like this activity and you're surely going to do it with your little ones. Do share your experience with us. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube. Do subscribe to get weekly updates. I look forward to hearing from you. See you the next week.